We were office mates before at SGB. And there was one time I've been to Bulacan where he invited us and the group. Anyway, my message to Evans and Rachel, okay, this is a start of a long journey. Okay, right now, you have love for each other, that's why you got married, and that love will endure you through the years. Okay? Don't ever lose love. And as much as possible, love your spouse more than you love yourself. Example ko dyan, merong tatlong tinapay, kinain nyo yung tigisa, may natirang isa, you would rather give it to your spouse rather than give it to yourself, or at best, happy kayo. Okay? So love should always be there. And always say, I love you to each other at least once a day. At least. Okay? Actions speak louder than words, but lalo na ikaw, Evans, mga babae gustong naririnig. I love you. Okay? Even if you show it through action. Okay? Say it. Mura lang yun, libre yun. Ha? Okay? And then, last, don't forget, not last, but there will be mistakes along the way. But you should always learn from these mistakes. Okay? Learn from the mistakes. We're not perfect. Okay? And last, the third party in your relationship. Okay? The Lord Jesus Christ. If you have the Lord Jesus Christ as the third party in your relationship, you can never go wrong. Okay? So love each other more than you love yourself, and the Lord Jesus Christ should always be in your marriage. So congratulations, Evans, and best wishes later. May you be blessed with I don't know how many children. So magkakaapo na, magiging lola na si Ben. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay, and thank you so much, of course, to the Estacos, Tita.